Good morning. Today I wanted to share a tip about some bookkeeping. Now, bookkeeping can be quite a chore, whether you outsource it or if you have it in-house, either way, it can be a chore. And today I wanted to give you a tip to let you know, to tell if your balance sheet is looking well or if it's looking bad. And this is one way you can tell if your bookkeeper you hired or your outsourced bookkeeper either or your in-house bookkeeper, this is one way you can tell if the bookkeeping they're doing is correct or accurate or is incorrect. So first of all, let's just start with the balance sheet. Usually the asset side, you usually want to see a lot of debits. The only time you would see credits on the asset side usually is if you're depreciating, for example, equipment or buildings, so there'd be like accumulated depreciation, accumulated amortization, things of that nature. You would see a negative balance, reducing the asset, the fixed expenses, like a home or building or office building or equipment purchase, vehicles, etc. That would more or less reduce those values. Depreciation wise, based on the term, the life of the class of asset. So if you see any other negative balances in other accounts like the bank account or accounts receivable or areas of that nature, something's wrong. Something doesn't look right. Okay, debits go to assets, credits go to liabilities. Now let's look at the liability side. Now, the only time you would see debits on the liability side is reduction in payment of loans, credit cards, payroll expenses, payroll liabilities, things of that nature. Now, if there's other negative balances, like for example, we have a negative loan balance, there's something wrong. Because when you go to pay off a loan, usually you pay off the balance and it clears the account to zero. So take a look at your books and look at your balance sheet and find out if there's any negatives in your assets or liabilities. Now, equity, that will be for another discussion, but those are just some basic tips. Good luck and have a great day. Thanks for watching. Pearson Company. Bye-bye.